everybody, Maggie
and Kay.
and Kay. We're so excited. We're going to show you memory box number 2. Okay, so this is our new memory box. You can see here it has the traditional lid, this time with a button provided on top which opens and closes like that. It also has a drawer which pulls out here, so you can store all your bits and pieces in there. The actual box itself is 3 inches deep inside, and then we've also got a new 8x7 album kit, and you'll notice the album fits perfectly inside here. And then this is a beautiful album that Louise has made, and the cover size is 8x7. The page sizes are 7x6, and we're using our clever strips. Okay, and Louise has worked through and she's used some of our new closures. This is the dumbbell, which is pop little magnets on, which you can't see because she's used the mag pop, and that fits there, and that opens up. That's one of our new photo mats that goes with the curved photo slots. She's popped little tags inside. And the next page, now you can see on this one how flat the pages lay when you turn it.
That's
yeah.
the
okay, so here you've
die.
Yeah. So here you've got your pockets and your tabs, and she's used the decorative edge tab dies to create a decorative edge, the never-ending strips. Okay, here we've got, I recognise that, that's a walrus belly band, flipped over, and these are the new walrus larger flip-flap dies. And you can see here you've got your photo mats, curved photo slots and your photo mats. And again here you've got lovely tabs here. Now these tabs have all got different decorative tops, and I know that they've used the walrus whisker range to do that. Yeah. So that's what you can do. Any of our whisker ranges work really well to provide decorative tag tops, any size really. So we'll just continue there.
I love the keyboard on the
it's
inserts.
Really clever, isn't it? Yeah. So here we've got just the photo mats stuck straight down, and this says place photo here. Now there's something I forgot to say. Louise has made 2 albums at a class. This is the very first one she's done herself from start to finish and designed herself, and it's amazing.
She's done a stunning job.
Okay, so there's another one here, and you've got more photo mats here, and she's telling you what to do. Place your photo here. And then on the last page you've got your little tags here. That's using the whisker dies, Mexican whiskers, and she's used the mat for the little tags there from the mini flip flap. And then here, now here she's used the dumbbell die, so she's stuck it on there, and these are the mini Mexican whisker flip flaps, the new ones, and they're coming out like that. And I love these dies because they cut into the paper, so you don't really don't lose anything. So, and then this is the final one here.
And she's mixed some of our older dies with the new one, so they all mix and match.
All mix and match beautifully. And Louise has also maximised paper usage, because this lovely glossy one here is actually off the cover of the 8x8 pad. So that is a beautiful album. Thank you very much, Louise.